Welcome back, children. Now we are again going to continue summary writing from writing skills. As we have seen the first steps, don'ts, do's. Now we are going to see the specimen summary passage. Summary passage is an unseen passage and summary is based upon it. That we are going to see through our section number 3, 3.1 summary writing. Actually, in the text, the passage given is different, but I had chosen one more unseen passage for your understanding. See here, the unseen passage is about education makes man perfect. First, I will read out the passage and then introduce you the summary. Education is not all about studying and getting good marks. It is really a means to discover new things and increase our knowledge. Education is light of our life. Education is movement from darkness to light. It is the key feature to a bright future. It gives our thinking a different appearance and helps us keep away all our darkness and ignorance. It leads us to the path of success. Uneducated people can be easily cheated, be fooled. Many people in our country do not receive education because of poverty, lack of educational facilities, or social conditions, especially in case of girls. Education helps us in boosting up the confidence. At the same time, it opens new doors of success. Knowledge is never wasted. Learning process must not end until death. If a man is educated, the only individual is educated. But if a woman is educated, the whole family is educated. This will help to change the society as a whole. Government also has taken up many programs for this purpose. An educated person has ability to differentiate between right and wrong. It is the foremost priority of our society to educate its citizens. Focus should be on women's education because knowledge of women can bring change in a family and the society as a whole. We must realize the importance of education. We must ensure that each citizen of our nation is educated because education makes man perfect. So this is our unseen passage, and for summary the points are given to us. With the help of these points we have to write the summary, as well as we have to choose our own title for the summary passage. See here, the points given are education, meaning, aim, advantages, women education, and social change. Now we have chosen the title as importance of education. Education means not study and get good grades, but it is a process of movement from darkness or ignorance to the light or knowledge. Education is all round development of a personality. It gives different appearance to thinking to keep ignorance away. It is the shortest path to success. It boosts confidence, leads all towards success. Women education is very beneficial for the all-round development of farming as well as society and nation. Educated person can differentiate between right and wrong, and it is helpful for making good citizens. It brings change in human behavior. It is mightier than sword and knife. It is most powerful keys in making others respect you. It teaches people the most important thing in life, that is time and money management. So All these points are covered here, given from the question only. And the title we have chosen, which is apt and short. For this, the marks allotted are 3 marks, such as 11th standard annual format. And the marking scheme for this is title accept suitable title. For this, 1 mark is given, so title is important. Many of the students, you forget to give the title to the passage, so remember well, title is having 1 mark, it is carrying 1 mark. Then covering essential points means all these points which are mentioned in the activity, we have to use them. For this, 1 mark is given. And about the language style and grammar, 1 mark is there for all the apt and correct language and grammar style. In this way, 3 marks are allotted to this summary. For this, practice makes you more perfect, and so you have to go to our text. In that text, one passage is introduced to us and its summary is also given to us, and also the steps, do's and don'ts, these are also introduced in our text. You can silently and very concentratingly, you have to read out all the unit on your own, and then you have to see the brainstorming activities. In brainstorming activities, we are going to see what are actually the redundant words. Redundant words, it is activity 2 in our text. From that, we are often inefficient in our language using more words than necessary. For example, some phrases are given here. See here. We are not always saying circle around, but only saying circle. And always we are not saying write down, but we are saying only write. Or about the word bonus, we are mentioning many times. Actually, the phrase is added bonus, but we are using only bonus. These examples are given our text, and we are told to find out our own examples of redundant words. So this activity I had solved myself. You can also try to find out the words from dictionary or textbook or internet, etc.
Come with me.
Here what I had given, see, we are not saying come with me, but we are saying only come. And we are not saying open with smile every time, but just say open. And for the cooking, we are never saying cooking the meal, but just saying cooking. Okay. So these are called as redundant words. And for our summary writing, the next thing helping us is we have to avoid the use of adverbs. For making the language somewhat interesting, writers are using adverbs. For example, that's usually a good thing to do. Here, usually may be there or may not be there. There is no problem. So, we have to remove this usually and write that's a good thing to do. This is also forming the meaning, and for summary writing it is required. We have to avoid the adverbs whatever are in the sentences in that passage. And then the next is one word substitutions. For these substitutions, some examples are in our text and some are I had searched. You can also try to search it. For example, we are not saying a list of books. For this one word is used catalog. In this way, you can try to form this activity. I will send all these photographs to our WhatsApp group, so no problem. And about this apposition and all these activities, I am going to send you on WhatsApp group. So Please, you can try to solve the activities and try to practice more and more summary writing. That will just make you the king maker of summary writing, and it will develop your writing skill, summary writing. Okay, all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.